No.
We have actually multiple times we have flipped back and forth, but you know, y'all know it.
All right, give another round of applause to Viper. None other than the snake himself. Watch that bite.
All right, second place. Everybody watches these cartoons, so we all know what this is going to be.
She must have lost. She's crying like a, you know
That is right.
what rhymes with crying.
Daryl, 1970, Roadrunner.
He would be crying like a baby. Give me some sunshine, sweet maybe. I want the hearse. The hearse.
All right.
Can you imagine the trip in this?
Look like you got some brother you got to get up on there. All right. Next we have
The big dog, the big puppy,
Take
the big
your
everything,
final
the big
resting
whatever you want to call it.
Ride
The best of
in
show.
this.
Unbelievable car.
Hey, buddy.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Hey, look, he's even got some leftover
Actually made you
food.
go, wow.
He should have ate
Makes
it
you
all.
wanna
He's
go
all
ahead
skin and
do some other
bones.
things
Oh,
on
no
the process
skin, but he's
because
all
that's an absolutely
bones.
Beautiful, gorgeous
Oh, he got
car.
a little kitty,
It's got the
kitty.
perfect type of lowering on it. It kind of
Sorry,
reminds me of Sylvester
we're
Stallone,
dead.
but it wasn't black. This is a 1948 Buick, driven by Luther Kahn.
Come on down, Lawrence. Lawrence got it going. He said you